The lie we were all told. You were taught that being a good woman means putting yourself last. I'm here to tell you, that is the most dangerous lie ever told to us. Think about it. From the moment we were little girls, we were taught to be quiet, to be helpful, to be modest, to manage everyone else's comfort before our own. And if we dared to want something, for ourselves, for our bodies, for our pleasure, we were made to feel selfish, shameful, too much. So we learned to switch it off. We became experts at ignoring ourselves. And now we wonder why we feel empty. A woman who has abandoned herself cannot show up fully for anyone. Not her partner, not her children, not her work, not her life. The most generous thing you can do for the people around you is to come home to yourself first. To know what you want, to honor your body, to stop running on empty and start running on full. That is not selfish. That is the foundation of everything. Save this video for the next time someone makes you feel guilty for having needs. And follow, because this page is where we rebuild from the truth up.